Okay, I'm back with another video. This time I'm showing how I made a candle display for Halloween, because it's never too early to start preparing for Halloween and getting your props ready and doing some arts and crafts related to Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays. So over the weeks we've been saving our toilet paper rolls, and any paper rolls that paper towels, any size, anything we can save and put away for this project. That's what we did. My family. So I took the paper towels and I connected them, not paper towels, the toilet paper rolls, and I connected them with masking tape. And then I put them in different sizes, and I staggered the height of each of the paper rolls to give it more of a realistic look. And this is the first stage. Materials used: foam board, toilet paper rolls, paper towel rolls, masking tape, and then I bought some tea lights at the 99-cent store. You get those two for $1. And I made it so that I can replace them so they're not attached, because I need to turn them off and on. And so they're loose and they fit right on top. I can easily pull them out and put them on. And this is the first step. And I got my glue gun. That's another thing you're going to need, is glue. So I glued the toilet paper rolls to the base of the foam board, and then I'm going to start gluing in the next video, showing you how to make it look like wax is dripping from the top of these candles. So stay tuned and come back to check out part 2 of my Halloween candle display prop. Okay, thanks, bye.